Sir, Manish Tiwari has today said that Mukesh Ambani has a threat perception from Indian Mujahideen, which is why he's being provided the Z Plus security.
We strongly oppose the security that has been Z plus Z security that has been provided to Mr. Mukesh Ambani. It seems 36 security guards have been provided to him. This is out of my money. I am paying for the security of Mukesh Ambani. That people are paying out of their taxes, they are paying for. So now when Mukesh Ambani will travel to say Kolkata or to Chennai, then these 36 security guards will travel in the same aeroplane. And I will pay for their travel. It's a huge cost to the nation. On one hand, when the women are being subjected to rape in different parts of the country, they need security. Their security guards are being provided to Mr. Mukesh Ambani. Mr. Mukesh Ambani has lakhs and lakhs of crores of rupees. He is very capable of providing security, for hiring security guards. The best security agencies in the world he can hire. And he is being given security by the Home Minister. Home Minister is so sensitive to the security of Mukesh Ambani, and the Home Minister has absolutely no concern for the security of the women in the country. It's shameful actually on the part of the Home Minister. So this government has reduced to a complete agent of Ambani. If Ambani, anything goes wrong with Ambani, the entire government of India shakes. And the worst thing is that the security has been provided to Mukesh Ambani by UPA. Where is BJP? Where is Samajwadi Party? Where is BSP? None of them are opposing it. Which is very, Mukesh Ambani said, ये सारी पार्टियां मेरी जेब में हैं. It is clear कि ये सारी की सारी पार्टियां मुकेश अंबानी की जेब में हैं. मुकेश अंबानी इस देश की सरकार चला रहा है, ये सरकार नहीं चला रही है.
So Mukesh Ambani is a private citizen, but apart from that, even Robert Vadra has been provided security by SPG, and some political leaders have also been provided security.
We completely oppose the security that has been provided to various political leaders and their relatives. And that security should be removed, and the security should actually be provided to the common women of this country.
Sir, you have always demanded for the resignation of the Delhi Police Commissioner, Mr. Neeraj Kumar. While accountability definitely needs to be fixed, do you think if his head rolls, then things would improve on the ground?
His head should roll. His head must roll. There has to be accountability. You can't send a message that everything is acceptable. Secondly, after his head rolls, and if the government is serious, they would put a good police commissioner rather than a complete political agent. Neeraj Kumar, in Subhash Tomar's case, he lied to the entire nation. You can take out from your archives. He lied to the entire nation that these 6 people are responsible. Now the court has said that these 6 people. So what is he accountable or is he not accountable? In this particular case, the police tried to bribe the father of that girl. Is Neeraj Kumar accountable or he is not accountable? In this particular case, one of his assistant commissioner of police, he slapped one girl protester. Is Neeraj Kumar accountable or not accountable? In this particular case, the police refused to register an FIR for that woman. And every day, the number of rapes in Delhi are increasing rather than decreasing. Is Neeraj Kumar accountable or he is not accountable? He is not just incapable. He is, I think, a burden on the city. I think his head needs to roll.
Sir, my last
question. And it's not just his head. I think Shinde should also go.
Sir, my last question. Congress Party, Sandeep Dikshit from the Congress Party and Girija Vyas have also demanded
Sandeep Dikshit ki to sarkar hai. In here, Congress is here also and Congress is there also. Congress is a very smart party. They want to occupy the ruling party space also and opposition space also. So they are the perpetrators and they are the victims. So their minister Shinde is the person who would do all the wrongdoings, and Sandeep Dikshit and Sheila Dikshit will stand up and say that Delhi Police Commissioner should be sacked. So they want to occupy all the spaces. Arey tumhari to sarkar hai, बेवकूफ बना रहे हो. You think the entire country is a fool? They don't understand it's basically match fixing between them.
Sir, while your role in this particular case has been appreciated, but some people say that it has also been politicized, and protesting in front of hospitals has come in for some criticism. How would you respond to that?
Of course. We did protest against, they are saying कि हंगामा किया हम लोगों ने हॉस्पिटल के सामने. हमने किया हंगामा हॉस्पिटल के सामने. हमने किया उत्पात हॉस्पिटल के सामने. हमने हॉस्पिटल के अंदर नहीं किया, which is completely wrong. Show us the footage. We did not do anything inside. We did not hinder any ambulance movement. We did not cause any this thing to the patients. But we did hangama outside the hospital. अगर हम हंगामा नहीं करते, FIR दर्ज नहीं होती. अगर हम हंगामा नहीं करते, उसको दयानंद हॉस्पिटल से नहीं ले जाते. अगर दोबारा रेप होता है दिल्ली में, हम फिर से हंगामा करेंगे, बिकॉज हंगामा किए बिना ये सरकार सुनती नहीं है, बहरी सरकार है ये.
Sir, but creating a hangama in front of a hospital where other patients are also there,
But
is
we
it
did
fair
not
to
cause-
them, sir?
We did not cause any this thing to the patients. Show us a single footage where we are causing any problem to the patients. The patients were also supportive. The doctors were very supportive. I don't know who's raising this question. It is the political parties who are getting very nervous because Aam Aadmi Party is changing the politics of this country. भारतीय जनता पार्टी, we do something today and they follow it the next day. आज हम जाके सोनिया गांधी के घर घिराव करते हैं, कल बीजेपी जाके घिराव करते हैं. उनको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कर क्या रहे हैं.
So finally, do you think that you have captured the opposition space in
We
Delhi?
have captured the entire political space. ना ruling party को मैं fast करता हूँ, ruling party को समझ नहीं आता how to react. BJP को समझ नहीं आता how to react. They can't even criticize us because fast is a very pure thing. Now when this girl was, the media came in picture on the day she was admitted to but media does not know that her father called up our office the previous night, and he said that her uncle called up our office previous night and he said that the police is not responding, the hospital is not. Our volunteers that night went to the police and to the hospital. That is how the police registered FIR. The FIR would not have registered if Aam Aadmi Party would not have come in picture. Next day, Manish, Gopal Rai and hundreds of our volunteers went to Dayanand Hospital. That's how the entire media reached there. Now the media is saying we created hangama. If we had not created hangama, media would not have been there. The people would not have been there. And she would not have been shifted to AIIMS hospital. She would have died.
Thank you, sir.